Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So today we are going to start fourth chapter of your book, and that is the old clock shop. And in this video, I'll share the summary of this chapter. And in this chapter, you will learn that how the honest and correct ways win over any situation, and you can get rid of any difficulty and troubling situation. Even robbers and thieves can be tackled rightly with correct and honest ways. You will see in this chapter that Mr. Ray, the main character of this story, saved himself from the robbers by using these ways and also showed them the right path. So basically what happened, before Christmas night, when it was closing time for shops, Mr. Ray, who had an old clock shop, was still working on a clock, and after finishing his work, when Mr. Ray was about to go, two men came to his shop. One was 20 and second one was around 50-year-olds. So when they came there, the younger man stopped at the door and the second one entered the shop. Seeing them, Mr. Ray realized that they are not the simple person, as they were looking cruel and there was no sign of friendliness on their faces. So Mr. Ray was a little afraid, but trying to overcome on his fear, he gave them a notepad and pencil, and pointing to his ears, he told them that he is deaf and dumb through his sign language. It means Mr. Ray was trying to tell them that he cannot speak and hear. So when the old man read the notepad, he was a little surprised and talked something to his friend. So when the old man was talking to his friend who was standing at the door, Mr. Ray got a chance and looked closely at the man. He noticed that old man had a gun in his pocket. So he thought that these two men had come here to rob his shop. He also realized that they needed money very badly, because he found that there was a very clear sign of worries on their faces. So he told the old man that he exchanged good sum of money with people against their watches and wall clocks. He did this only for goodwill and not in want of earning any interest or security against the things. In short, he told the old man that he gave money as a loan to the needy people without taking any interest. So hearing this, the old man took out his wristwatch to show Mr. Ray and asked, "How much will you give me for this watch?" He wrote the sentence on that notepad. So the shopkeeper read that and asked, "How much do you need for it?" The old man said, "Whatever it is worth." So Mr. Ray offered them $50, and both of them, it means Mr. Ray and the old man, knew that this was not worth of $50. So this made the old man happy, as he got money without hurting Mr. Ray, and Mr. Ray was also escaped from being hurt. And before leaving, the old man wrote on the letter pad that he would be back soon to get his watch, and they took their ways. So here this story ended peacefully, giving a sweet and simple message of peace on earth and goodwill towards all. I hope you have understood very well that honesty, goodwill, and kindness always pays good. Here the summary ends. Thank you very much for watching this video.